Hey guys, I'm making another YouTube video. Today we're gonna unbox Steiner and Vader. So I think this could be a banger. So let's get into it. Oh man, I've had these for collectives and everything. So I'm gonna try to open the box open slightly. Kind of nice. But yeah, this is the box. That's really cool and everything. Yeah, it is. So here's the figures first of all. We got the man himself, Scott Steiner. I've got both of the Steiner brothers now. Oh yeah, one more quick tip. If you're watching this video, can you please subscribe? I don't have a lot of subscribers at all. I just sort of wanted to actually get all the subscribers. But here's the Scott Steiner, man, Freakzilla shorts. Dude, this is like an actual. I think out of all the videos I've done, this has got to be a cool figure. I mean, dude, it's actually got like the how he puts it on, and then it's got the glasses that he wears. They don't stick on well. Safe to say. And yeah, here's the guy, and here's the hands. Just some. Where'd they go? Just some basic hands. Then one for the left and right. Yeah, that one's unboxed. That was one of actually a really sick figure. I loved it. Loved getting it. And now it's time for the big 6'5", 250-pound Vader. 250 pounds. This guy is halfway to 500 pounds. But this guy is 450 pounds. You can read there. Maybe that will for you guys. 80. So, get the cardboardy. Oh, that's actually a basic one. So that's different. Let's build the figure Royal Rumble. It is. Then we're building. Let's see. I don't really know that. If you know who it is, let me know in the comments. If I don't, honestly know. If you know, let me know in the comments. Oh. There we go. Come on, get the big feet. Vader's out. Yep, he's back in the fence. So I'll get the freaking guy out. I think I got it. Yes, I got it out. Whew. Okay. How do you get these things out, dude? Wow, here's the hands, the left and the right. Here's the Build-A-Figure. Yeah, if you know who this is, I don't honestly know. He looks like this. Like, I have no clue who that is. Here's a series, Bella, Priest, Vader, and Rey. The other series of 105 is Carmelo Hayes, Io Sky, Johnny Giordano, Braun Strowman, and Scott Steiner. Alright, it's time to let's get this boy out. Here he goes. He's out. So Vader. Oh man, look at this Vader, bro. It's got the big mask. Oh wow. The hands, the back, got a V, Vader time. Yeah, that's about all I wanted to unbox with you guys today. And if you enjoyed the video, drop a couple likes, comment, subscribe, and if you're watching, can you please subscribe? But with the rest of your day, have a great day. Peace out.